What up guys, we're gonna be talking about the programmable brake light flasher kit that you can get at FlyRyde.com. What's up guys, I'm Chris and you're back at FlyRyde for another video teaching you the what, how, and why of custom automotive lighting, and we're gonna get crazy with these little LED brake light flashers right now. This is actually part I've been wanting to work on for a long time, wanting to get out there and just put them on a bunch of cars, tested them on the road. We got to play with a few different cars that are from our local buddies and from different guys on YouTube, and one of those is my buddy Danny from Subietroops up in Northern California. So we sent these off and wanted him to get them installed on his car so that on their way down to Subiefest, they could film and goof around driving down here and get some cool footage. But there's a problem. What we didn't realize when we sent these things off was we didn't have LEDs for Danny's taillights because from the factory they do not come with LEDs. So we decided that the best thing that we could do is wait until after Subiefest, have Danny and the boys roll through here. We're gonna do a little install on his car that just got repainted. It's a 2004 STi, and we're gonna change the LED bulbs in the taillights as well as install this programmable brake light flasher kit. 4 Subies today, so I'm gonna take these guys in, try to mess with some taillights. Ooh, there they are. What up? What's happening, brother?
Good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too, man. Dude, that was the weirdest little hug thing.
Oh, it's been great.
Pad looks dope, dude.
Yeah,
I was checking it out. I was like, yeah. Let's get some names.
Sergio.
Sergio. Nice to meet you, brother.
Marco.
Marco, nice to meet you.
Edwin, man.
What's up, Edwin?
And Nestor.
Nestor, nice to meet you, brother. All right, we got these guys from NorCal out here in the shop, and we are gonna do the install on that little STi back there in just a sec. Dude rolled up with wires frayed all over the place, and so I had to do a little bit of fixing, patched them up, give them some heat shrink and some solder, and now we're gonna get them back on the car, wire these things up. I'm gonna go home. I got a wife and kids. Wait, I always say that. I can't keep saying that stuff. I sound like an old man. So all I'm gonna do is find the ground wire and the power wire. That's all I need. The power wire for the brakes. So when you step on the brakes, it gets hot. I'm gonna hook it up with this little test light like I've done in a previous video. And as soon as this thing lights up, because my dude steps on the brakes, then we know that we got the right wire. We're gonna cut it in half and then just install this brake module right in line with that wire. So I'm gonna hook this guy up to ground. Go ahead, step on the brake. All right, so let's see. Does it light up? All right, step off the brake. That's the winner. We're gonna install the connectors from the brake flasher kit on that. So the first thing is we have these 2 connectors. We're gonna remove them and put them on the wire that I just cut. So this is the brake light wire. The car has a wire harness that's feeding into the tail light. So the first one that's coming out of that connector, this is from the vehicle. That's what we actually need to go into this. Crimp this guy on there, and then we're gonna crimp the other connector on there so that it can send power to those LED bulbs that we installed. It's getting power. And now this guy is gonna crimp onto that side. All right. Now the last thing to do is connect the ground wire.
You don't cut there, right?
You just snap it right on there, yep. Okay, and now we have one tail light is done. Because we're tapping into each individual bulb, only that one's tapped. So now we're gonna tap that one into it as well.
Thanks for having us, Chris.
You got it, my man.
Awesome shop, dude. Looks great in there.
This is pretty cool. I actually found Danny and I reached out to him and sponsored the guy because of what he's doing. If you haven't seen his channel, I'm gonna link it below. Definitely jump on there, give him a subscribe. They're doing awesome things, and that is why he got hooked up. We are gonna be talking all about this stuff in a new video coming up that's all about sponsorships. It's how you can be of value to a company like mine and how you can get brand deals and all sorts of cool hookups. So definitely subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that one. Hit that notification icon so that you don't miss anything that comes out next. And if you are a fan of Danny's and you want to support him, check this out. All you have to do is jump on FlyRyde.com, all the LED bulbs as well as that brake flasher kit, basically anything FlyRyde brand. When you order it using Danny's link, it's gonna hook him up and he's gonna be able to make more money, more content for his channel, and it's just gonna keep him rolling. So we wanna do that with you if you're an influencer. If you're just looking at getting into all this stuff, like I said, that sponsorship video is gonna cover all those topics. Huge shout out to Danny and the boys at Subietroops. It was a good time. I appreciate you coming down. I enjoyed having you, and I am done with this one. I will see you next time.